And general accountant job opportunity available. Job position general accountant. Company name GISCO to join team in Abu Dhabi. If your profile is matching the mentioned criteria, and you can join immediately. If you have experience in accounting in UAE around 3 to 5 years, then you can apply. Then you fall in the given criteria. You can send your CV to the given email address. Make sure to mention the general accountant in subject line of email. A storekeeper job is available in Dubai. The company name is Soho Space. Is looking for a storekeeper with an food and beverage FB background, and this is based in Dubai, UAE. It is open for all nationalities and genders, even male, female. They can drop CV if you have storekeeper related experience. Factory helpers are required. We are hiring factory helper for one of our client in the steel manufacturing industry. Job requirements: looking for normal factory helpers for packing departments within the steel manufacturing industry. Duty timing 9 hours per day plus overtime. If relevant, preferably candidates with prior experience in the steel manufacturing industry. Food, transportation, accommodation, health, and life insurance will be provided by the company. Interested candidates can share their resume to the given email address or through WhatsApp on the given mobile numbers.